Is the Yoruba man truly a betrayer? They say it in whispers. They say it in anger. Some even teach it to their children. Yoruba man is a betrayer.
But let us settle this with
Not sentiment.
sense.
I am not here to change anybody's opinion. I am here to educate, to tell the truth the next generation deserves to hear, and to show our children the clear picture.
Yoruba does not fight blindly.
We fight with strategy.
We fight
There
with
is an
strategy.
adage. He who fights and runs away lives to fight another day. That is not cowardice. That is not weakness. That is intelligence, survival, and long-term thinking. Yoruba people do not brag when the war has not started. We study, we calculate, we negotiate, we wait, we plan, then we act, with precision. So when Yoruba steps back, it is not surrender. It is strategy. When Yoruba speaks softly, it is not fear, it is wisdom. When Yoruba avoids unnecessary war, it is not betrayal. It is understanding consequences. We don't call our enemy to their face, not because of eye service, but because it is a principle of survival. Every human being has the right to survive.
And Yoruba has mastered the art of surviving storms without dying inside them.
So is that why some people call us betrayers?
Because we don't
Run
fight
into fire
foolishly?
with emotions? Because we don't destroy our own land to prove a point? Because we pick our battles? Because we know how to play the game of power? Is that why you poison your children against us? No. Let the new generation hear this. Yoruba is not betrayal. Yoruba is wisdom. Yoruba is restraint. Yoruba is calculation. Yoruba is strategy. Yoruba is survival. Some fight with chest. We fight with brain. Some jump into war for pride. We fight only for purpose. Some burn their own house to prove a point. We protect our house first. If that intelligence looks like betrayal to you, then your understanding of war is the real problem, not our understanding of survival. And now let me speak clearly. Let the Igbo hear it. Let the Hausa hear it. Let every tribe hear it. Yoruba does not owe anybody apology for choosing strategy over stupidity, wisdom over noise, survival over sentiment. We are not betrayers. We are architects of our destiny. We are protectors of our land. We are masters of timing. We are children of Oduduwa, and we think before we strike.